Hi all, welcome to Black Tactical. So here I am to show the differences between the K2 series. So you can see the two of them. They're almost the same. The only difference is the edge of the blade. So the difference is this is actually meant for cutting through thick ropes, especially in times, places like marine users. They need thick ropes. Whereas this type is for your EDC everyday use. Because some ropes are very thick, so you saw your way through. So that's why. You see the difference. Other than that, you can see the tool on it, it's the same. Each of them has the same tools. So you have a cross head straight slot mix type with a narrow pry bar and also a thicker pry bar. And the thicker pry bar itself has a thick blade, small little bladed area. So it can use to cut cardboard. So you need to deploy this long blade. You can see the differences. Design is the same, it's just a small difference for different users. This is the Leatherman K2 Multitools. Interested, you can come to our webpage at www.black-tactical.com or can come to our premises. See you there.